Hi, today our video will explore the concept called a centroid. Centroid is basically if you were trying to look at one shape and if you can just being able to balance the centroid on a finger, where is that centroid gonna be, right? Um, then I want to encourage you to use symmetry as much as possible for this common shape. For example, circle, where's the centroid? Right in the middle. How about rectangle? The centroid is right in the middle, right? So using those intuition to help us to figure out the centroid. However, if you have an arbitrary shape, you know, like that, where will the centroid be? So then we're going to introduce the mathematical equation to figure it out. And the equation for that is going to be x bar integral of dA is equal to integral of x tilde dA. What does this mean? Means this is like if this is integration of the area, right? It's all the area together for this arbitrary shape. So basically all those highlighted area. What you do is you figure out dA and you integrate them. And then they said if you're going to consider all those area together times one moment of arm, so what's this x bar? X bar, it's x coordinate of the centroid of the whole centroid. Because when you're thinking about the centroid, it's basically a point. How do we define a point? This point is going to be defined by x and y coordinate. So x bar and y bar, that's going to be the whole centroid x coordinate and y coordinate. Then let's look at right hand side equation, and x tilde, however, is going to be for each individual piece and their moment of arm. So x tilde is going to be x coordinate of centroid. It's also centroid, but it's no longer this yellow highlight. It's going to be the centroid of each single differential element area. So for example, if I were trying to draw, this is going to be my dA, and my centroid will be right in the center of that, right? That's going to be my x tilde, x coordinate of the centroid of each individual single area. So here we are using differential integration to write it down for x bar, and you can do the same thing, right, for y. For y bar, integration of dA, that's going to be equal to x tilde dA. I'm sorry, y tilde dA. So this is a set that will help us to solve this entire shape centroid x bar and y bar. Now let's look at something else. Or if we have like common shapes, so it's no longer arbitrary shape, we can go ahead, convert this formula, convert this integral to summation. So summation of all those area together equals summation of each of those common shape, each of those area, they will all have their own centroid x tilde times their own individual area. Same thing for y. They will have formula for that, right? So that's basically the basic concept of a centroid. In the very next video, we're going to look at example, how do we solve it. All right, see you next time. Bye.